Okay, we're going to show you how to use a pacing board. Now, a pacing board is used to help expand sentences. So Bas is on a one-word level, or he's going to pretend he's going to be on a one-word level, and we're going to use the pacing board to expand it to 2 words or to 3 words. Okay, so I have my wind-up toys here that are people toys, so he needs my help to wind it up. Okay, are you ready? What would you like? Would you like car or would you like mouse?
Mouse.
Mouse, okay. We're going to mouse. Mouse, please. That's it. Okay, ready? Ready, steady.
Go.
Go, mouse. Oh my goodness, look at the mouse. Oh, the mouse stopped. What would you like?
I'm scared.
You're scared of the mouse? Silly, would you like to try something else instead?
Mouse.
Like car or mouse? So you still like the mouse even though it makes you scared. Okay, so are you ready? We're going to get the yes, blue mouse. So we're going to wind them up. Ready, steady,
Go.
go, mouse. Oh my goodness, look at him go. Oh no, the mouse fell.
I'm scared of the mouse.
You're scared of the mouse. That's a very long sentence. The pacing board is obviously working. Okay, so mouse fell.
I don't
Want
like
to go
that
again? You want to go again? Yes? Okay. What should we do? Should we wind them up?
Blue mouse.
You want blue mouse. Blue mouse, please. Ready, steady.
Go. Go.
Go,
Mouse.
mouse. Yes. Go, mouse, go. Woohoo! Uh-oh. You caught the mouse. Oh no, poor mouse. Oh, mouse stopped. What should we do? Want to go again? You want to stop? You finished? Yes. Okay.